Welcome to number 6 Streamside Court in the Streamside Court Village in Woolston. Hi, I'm Bronwyn Williams from Harper Real Estate. Well, I have had the pleasure to market many of the properties here in this fabulous complex, and this one is a personal favourite, mainly because it is such a sun trap. Come and take a walk through with me. Streamside Court Village is a warm and welcoming over 60s community set in a convenient Woolston location close to shops, transport and everything you need for easy connected living. Number 6 is a beautifully presented north-facing townhouse designed for comfort and simplicity. Importantly, this is not a right to occupy tenure. You own your own home, giving you full security, independence and control over your investment. Completed post-Quake, everything feels modern, secure and wonderfully low maintenance. The kitchen is well laid out with quality appliances and plenty of storage, perfect whether you're cooking for one or hosting friends. And I love how the dining and living areas flow together. It's open plan, comfortable and so easy to furnish. Just off the living room is a versatile second bedroom, ideal as a guest room, a craft space or a peaceful home office. The master bedroom at the front of the home is generous, sunny and has great wardrobe space, and you have ensuite access to the main bathroom, which is beautifully presented and thoughtfully designed for everyday convenience. Back through the living area, the ranch sliders open out to this lovely private garden. It's sunny, tidy and just the right size. A touch of lawn, some shrubs, trees, even a vegetable planter. It's perfect for enjoying the warmth without spending your weekends on maintenance. There's internal access garaging too, with the laundry positioned for easy access to the clothesline. And the wider Stream Court community really adds to the appeal. The grounds are beautifully maintained, neighbours are friendly and welcoming, and small pets are allowed, so your four-legged companion can enjoy the lifestyle right alongside you. If this feels like the right fit for you, get in touch to arrange a viewing. I'd love to show you through.